Hello everyone, this is Orhan. In this video, I'm going to continue time value of money calculations by solving a mortgage problem. In this problem, there is a guy, Michael, who purchased a new house and finances $100,000 with a 6% loan over 30 years. And then the question is asking us what is the amount of Michael's monthly payment. So be careful. This question is a little different than the previous ones because the payments are made in months, not years. So even though the parameters are given in years, annual parameters, so you have to convert these values to monthly values. Okay, they just like go one by one. Okay, so PV, which is the loan, is $100,000. Okay, right here, 100,000, and hit enter. And the rate, the interest rate is 6%. Okay, just like I'm just like copying and pasting here everything. And number of years is 30, and we are asked the monthly payments. Okay, so these values are annual values. So in the next column, in column C, I'm going to convert these values to monthly values. Okay, so the loan is going to be the same. Okay, so it's going to be exactly the same, is equal to B7. Monthly interest rate is going to be right here, equal, and choose the interest rate, annual interest rate, and divide it by 12. Okay, so it has to be like B8 minus B8 over 12. Okay, so it's going to be 0.5%. So if you want to convert this to percent, you can just click this percent style and increase the decimals. It's going to be 0.5%. And the second one is number of periods. So it says it's 30 years. So 30 years is equal to 30 years times 12 months. So it's going to be 360 months. So in order to calculate mortgage payments, you just need to write here in yellow cell PMT. So this is the function to calculate the payments, okay, monthly payments. And choose the interest rate here, comma, number of periods, and PER is going to be number of periods. And the third parameter is present value, which is $100,000. And you do not need to click, you do not need to enter anything else. Close the parentheses. It's going to be some values in minus. Okay, so this is going to be $599. So it's red and in parentheses because it means that it's a negative value. Okay, so this guy is supposed to make almost $6,600 every month for 30 years. So if you want to calculate the total payments, right here, total payments. So he's going to make this payment 360 times, okay, for every single month, okay, which means that he's going to pay back $215,838. Okay, so he's just like borrowing $100,000 and he's paying more than $200,000, okay, as a loan payment. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the coming videos.